him alone. Let him...
You're on video. Jonah, do you like the laundry?
Is this your future, Jonah?
You gonna be a laundry man?
You going for a different article now? What do you like? What do you like?
Jonah, he's totally standing.
Totally standing.
He's totally standing. Oh! All right! Good job!
Good job! Good job! I know, you didn't think it was a big deal.